Welcome everyone. This is Mr. Prem here, and today we are going to see how to write the very first script in Selenium 3 or WebDriver 3. Before proceeding, if you did not subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe and like this video if you like it. So next thing, what is the prerequisite before writing your first script? Your system should have JDK. Your system should have Eclipse, Selenium Java libraries, executable browser drivers, and Java project configured for WebDriver or Selenium 3. Now, if you do not have anything out of this, or your project is not configured for WebDriver, I will provide links of everything in the description of this video. So you can follow respective video as per your need. Now, I will start my Eclipse and will write the very first script today. I will create very first script today. So demo Selenium is my project name, and here in the SRC section there is no packages available. I will create a new package day 1, and we'll have the one class with the main method inside. First script. Okay, so here I am going to write my first script. Now you people might be aware, okay, WebDriver is a interface, and Firefox driver, Chrome driver, Opera driver are classes which implements WebDriver. Okay, so WebDriver is a parent. Okay, WebDriver is a parent, and Chrome driver, Opera driver, and Firefox driver are child. So how to start a browser in the case of what Selenium? We are going to have the driver equals to what? New Chrome driver. Okay, and we'll import this WebDriver from Selenium package, and Chrome driver also from Selenium package. Chrome driver, WebDriver and Chrome driver from Selenium package. Okay, so this is actually which approach? Parent reference, parent p equals to what? New child. Okay, parent p equals to what? New. So we are passing the reference of parent and making the object of what? Child. What is the benefit of this? Benefit of this is what? Only parent specific functions will be available. Parent specific functions will be available. Functions will be visible. Rest everyone is going to be what? Hidden. And rest every function will be hidden. You won't be able to see them. Okay, like if you for sample, okay, I will show you. If I say Chrome driver equals to driver 2, okay, equals to new Chrome driver 2 dot get screenshot as is available in the second instance, and here driver dot get screenshot is not available. Reason, this get screenshot is not available in the WebDriver. Okay, so it is not available inside what WebDriver, that's why it is not visible here. Get screenshot is not visible here, but it is available inside what? Chrome driver. So child specific function will be not visible if you make the reference of parent and object of child. So it is useful when you are doing compatibility testing. Okay, by mistakenly you are not able to call any child specific function. Okay, for opening any kind of URL, you can use driver dot get function. So suppose I am going to open Selenium HQ. Selenium.dev is the official website, and I will print the title of this page, driver dot get title. and I will close my browser using driver.quit. Our program will not run. I'll let you know, okay, why it is not going to run. See here, it is what showing the illegal state exception. The path to the driver executable must be set by webdriver.chrome.driver system property. Actually, it is what asking the path of what your executable driver. If you remember, we have downloaded what Gecko driver and we have downloaded what Chrome driver exe file. So it is actually asking the path of that, okay, which is available on my downloads folder also, and it is available inside my cell jar also. So I will go in what cell jar and copy the path, okay, and it is what giving the guidance also using system property. You need to do system dot set property in the key and in the value, okay. In value, actually you are going to paste the path and Chrome driver exe you need to write Chrome driver.exe. So in the case of what Linux, you don't have to write .exe file .exe, okay, make sure. And in the key, actually you need to write this WebDriver Chrome.driver WebDriver Chrome.driver. So I will type inside key this, okay. If you're working with the Opera, so here you need to write Opera, okay. Only this middle part is what changing, but currently I will keep what here Chrome. If you're working with I, so here you need to what type I. I will run. Let's see. It should open my browser and open the URL and print the title and close the browser. Okay. So this is for what? This is for what? Opening the URL. Opening URL. And this is for printing title. And this is for what? Closing browser. Okay. I will run once more. It should open the browser. It should open the URL and print the title along with the quitting the browser. I will go in the what console. You can see Selenium HQ browser automation is the title. Okay. Hope you have liked it. Thank you very much for listening. And if you did not subscribe, kindly subscribe. Have a great day.